Adding and installing a backup camera in your vehicle can be a fantastic upgrade, not only for safety, but also for convenience. The cost can vary quite a bit depending on several factors, including the type of camera system, the complexity of the installation, and whether you do it yourself or have a professional handle it. Let's break it down. Types of backup cameras. 1. Standalone cameras. These are the most basic models and can cost between $20 to $100. They usually include a small display screen that you can mount on your dashboard. 2. Integrated systems. These can interface with your existing vehicle's display or a rear-view mirror monitor. They are generally more advanced and can range from $100 to $500. 3. Wireless versus wired. Wireless systems are easier to install but might be susceptible to signal interference, costing roughly $50 to $200. Wired systems are more reliable but more complex to install, costing between $100 and $300. Installation costs. 1. DIY installation. If you are handy with tools, you might opt for a DIY installation. This can save you quite a bit of money, leaving you only to pay for the cost of the camera itself. You might need some additional wiring kits or tools which could run you another $20 to $50. 2. Professional installation. This is where costs can vary widely. Basic installations can start at $75, but more complex jobs, such as integrating the camera with your vehicle's existing systems, can run up to $200 or more. Some high-end audio and electronics retailers offer packages for installation that include the camera and the labor, sometimes costing between $200 and $500 in total. Additional considerations. Vehicle type. Some vehicles have more straightforward installations due to easier access to the wiring needed. Labor rates. If you're in an area with higher labor rates, like Portland, Oregon, where I live, expect to pay more for installation. Quality. Lower-end models might seem like a bargain, but they could end up costing more in the long run if they fail prematurely. Conclusion. So, how much does it cost to add and install a backup camera into your vehicle? On a budget, you could potentially do a DIY job for as little as $50, $100. On the higher end, especially with professional installation and a quality camera, you could be looking at $200, $500 or more. At the end of the day, it's a worthy investment for the added safety and convenience, not to mention the peace of mind it brings when navigating those tight parking spots.